Hi everyone and welcome to my channel again. So today I prepared another DIY rings tutorial because I'm obsessed with rings. I love making them. So I hope you enjoy these and let me know what you think. See you later! So, I'm pleased to announce you don't need a lot of stuff to make these rings, just some craft wire and sew-on crystals. I'm using these beautiful 4-hole Swarovski sew-on crystals, but honestly, use whatever you can get your hands on. It's about the idea and getting creative. To make this particular ring, slide both pieces of the wire through the holes and place the crystal in the middle, and then bend the wire on each side of the crystal carefully and start twisting it. It may not look perfect at first, and it's possible the gap between the twisted wire and crystal will be quite large, but once you start twisting the wire on both sides, it will get tighter and it will disappear almost. I personally made the twisted part of the wire about 2 centimeters, which is like 0.8 inches, but see what works for you, since we are all unique and have different size fingers. And then I used my round nose pliers and bent the rest of the wire into tiny little loops, and of course shaped the ring as usual with a bit of help from my trusty little friend, the nail varnish bottle, as well as using my fingers and chain nose pliers to give it the correct shape and size. Ta-da! Here is the finished product! I've just made myself a beautiful diamond ring in only a couple of minutes. Awesome! I feel like I'm getting engaged all over again. Yes, I do. That's not such a bad idea actually. These could be used as sort of like a temporary engagement rings or something like that. You know, a guy could easily make one of these, propose to the love of his life, and then the love of his life could choose her perfect engagement ring later. Unless he's worried she would go for the most expensive ring in the shop. Tricky. But really, what a beautiful gesture. A guy making you a ring. You know, this reminded me of my husband attempting to make me a dress when we were dating. It was rather touching and also hilarious since it barely resembled a dress. But I still have it somewhere and I shall never forget this special gift. Okay guys, let's get back to this tutorial before I get too emotional and start crying. So here I am showing you different versions of this ring, and if you want to try something really extra cute, get a teardrop crystal or any other shape really in your favorite color. Mine is aquamarine, again from Swarovski, and create yourself a completely unique ring to your own taste. I also experimented a bit and made this massive sparkly ring by adding not 1, not 2, but 3 crystals and then finished it exactly the same as all the other ones. And yes, I could have used smaller crystals, but these were the only sizes I had, so there you go. A ginormous ring it is. And last but not least, I'm making this easy ring with a vintage square Swarovski sew-on crystal. So after twisting the wire 3 times on each side, I'm inserting a toothpick in between the 2 wires, doing 3 more twists and then adding the toothpick again. I finished it with about 5 or 6 more twists, but again, it's up to you however big or small you want the ring to be. And honestly, there are millions of other ways to alter this ring design, and it's very possible you'll see more of these sort of rings on my channel in the near future. So stay tuned and of course stay creative and stay open-minded. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know if you like them and if you want me to make more rings, because I will happily do that. And I will see you next time with another tutorial. I'm not quite sure what it's gonna be, but hopefully it's gonna be good and easy as always. Take care and have a beautiful day. Bye!